package for my exclusive bag. So let's go ahead and pull this out, and so we can check this out. Now, first and foremost, before I even open up this gorgeously gorgeous bag, click the link down in the description box to order yours today. This is going to be a perfect holiday gift for anybody that you know that loves a good bag, that loves a good backpack. It's super, super adorable, and the packaging already has got me very excited. So let's open up this box. Oh man, look at this. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Take a look. Oh my God. Oh man, look at this. It has a sleeve, a jacket on it. Let's go ahead and open this up first before I start chatting with it. I just know I'm so excited because first of all, the presentation, okay? The presentation has done it in for me already. I haven't even touched the bag yet. Oh my gosh, look at this. Ah! Isn't this adorable? You can order this with or without the accessories, okay? And it does have little accessories that can come with it. Guys, it feels so good. Oh, it feels so good. Smells good, smells fresh. Okay, so this definitely, it feels really nice though. High quality leather. On the back of it, you're going to notice that it does have this little zipper. This is actually a pocket. So I have this super easy access pocket here to slide my identifications in. Okay, so it does have 2 buttons on the side, and I just want to get really detailed, guys, because this bag is so cute. Like, and it feels really good. It feels very high quality leather. Very nice. Okay, so it does come with 2 straps. Okay, well duh, because it's a backpack. Yeah, okay, it's supposed to come with 2 straps. Okay, so there are 2 little slidable compartments on the inside. Okay, as you can see here, I can slide my hand in here, and I can slide my hand in here, and then it does have a zip pack pocket as well. I so love this bag, guys. You can actually order this bag with or without the accessories. It's truly up to you. It just feels so good, guys. Like, it feels so good to the touch. I'm so excited about this. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the straps here. Okay, so these are adjustable straps. Alrighty, so guys, this is the full bag. It does have the straps attached now. And look, it looks good basically with anything, okay? You can wear this with anything, okay? It's a black bag, it's classic black. It's really nice and feels great to the touch. Smells like a brand new, fresh designer bag. This is definitely got the quality, look, feel, and smell of a designer bag. If you have somebody in your family that loves backpacks or handbags or anything, they're going to love this, okay? Somebody who loves backpacks and loves, you know, something that's really cute and stylish and fashionable, this is exactly that. This bag is going to go with everything. It's black, it's cute, you know, it's super stylish, it's leather. It's going to basically be appropriate for anything that you need to wear. Like, I cannot stop feeling and touching it because it feels really good, you know. It just feels amazing. It smells of quality. Click the link right now and get your bunny bag right now, okay? Right now, don't forget, click that link, let them know that Quayla sent you, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye now.